Hi guys, it's Foodie Tracker here. Red Rooster's got a new promo out. It's called Sub Lunch. Costs about $5. So what's included in this? So it's got a roast chicken mini sub. Let me just open it out, how it looks like. So right there, roast mini sub, small chips, potato and gravy, and a drink, 250ml no sugar drink, for $5. Not bad. That's how it looks like. I'll grab the roll and we'll have a quick look at it. Alright. So basically, chunks of chicken, bit of mayo, lettuce, and that's how it looks like. Yep. Have a quick bite. Nice. Like it. It's like those Vietnamese rolls. Finger rolls. It's roast chicken. A lot of people are getting confused. They want the crunchy chicken and they're getting upset at the stores. So it's roast chicken sub sandwich, yeah? And that's your potato and gravy. We'll have a look. A very delicious taste of that roll. Alright, let's open this up. Spoon. So nice. Oh yeah, if I can grab a hole. That's your potato there. Look at that, lifting it up. How's the gravy taste? Yeah, nice. And this much. That's how much you get in chips. There's only one chip in the box. Is there a lot? I'm not sure. If it's regular like this. Slightly cold. For $5, it's not bad, yeah, guys. It's a cheap eat for sure for $5. We need more promos like this, Red Rooster. Especially in summer. We used to have those promos in summer back in the late 80s and early 90s when cricket season was on. And that lyrics we used to sing along when we used to go to get half a chicken or a quarter of chicken and chips was like $2 back then as a kid. We used to love it. We missed that. Bring it back. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.